ay si Auntie Claire, no, nagpapaliwanag na kung bakit pinagre-resign ang mga cabinet members ni Bongbong Marcos. Okay? Sa administrasyon daw ni BBM ay walang puwang ang kurap, no? Tamad, no? Sa kanyang administrasyon. So maliwanag na maliwanag pala mga kadizar, no, na kaya pala pinag-resign ni Bongbong Marcos ang kanyang gabinete ay mga tamad, no, at corrupt under na kanilang pamumuno. Okay? Nako, kayo ba maniwala, no, na pinagre-resign dahil mga tamad at corrupt ang mga kanyang gabinete? Nako, abangan po natin ang mga susunod na hakbang ni Marcos. Okay, bago yan, panoorin po muna natin si Auntie Claire, no, na mukhang nahirapan si Auntie Claire magpaliwanag dito kung bakit ito'y pinagre-resign ang lahat ng kanyang cabinet member. Okay, go ahead Auntie Claire. Okay, dahan-dahan lang. Okay, kaya mo yan Auntie Claire. Go, go, go Auntie Claire. Go, go, go.
At bago po ang ating question and answer, narito po ang isang mahalagang anunsyo mula sa ating Pangulo. It's time to realign government with the people's expectations. President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has called for the courtesy resignation of all cabinet secretaries in a decisive move to recalibrate his administration following the results of the recent elections. This is not business as usual, the President said. The people have spoken and they have expect results, not politics, not excuses. We hear them and we will act. The request for courtesy resignations is aimed at giving the President the elbow room to evaluate the performance of each department and determine who will continue to serve in line with his administration's recalibrated priorities. This is not about personalities, it's about performance, alignment, and urgency. Those who have delivered and continue to deliver will be recognized. But we cannot afford to be complacent. The time for comfort zones is over. This step marks a clear transition from the early phase of governance to a more focused and performance-driven approach. The President emphasized that while many have served with dedication and professionalism, the evolving needs of the country require a renewed alignment, faster execution, and a results-first mindset. Government services will remain uninterrupted during this transition, and the President reiterated that stability, continuity, and meritocracy will guide the formation of his leadership team moving forward. With this bold reset, the Marcos administration signals a new phase, sharper, faster, and fully focused on the people's most pressing needs. So, hindi na po siguro natin ikakagulat ang pagtawag po ng courtesy resignation ng Pangulo sa kanyang mga cabinet secretaries, heads of agencies with cabinet rank, other heads of agencies, and presidential advisors and assistants. Handa na po tayong tumugon sa inyong mga katanungan.
First question, Crisel Insigne, IBC 13.
Hello po, Yusek. How this courtesy call will affect the ongoing projects and programs of the administration po?
Maliwanag din po ang sinabi ng Pangulo, hindi po maaapektuhan kung ano po ang pending at existing projects habang ito ay may transition. At tuloy-tuloy lamang po ang pagtatrabaho ng mga cabinet secretaries at ng mga tao sa gobyerno. At mas maganda po itong mapakita rin ng ating mga heads of agencies, cabinet secretaries, na sila ay naaayon sa goal ng Pangulo. Ipakita nila na sila ay dapat na matantili bilang parte ng administrasyon ng ating Pangulo. Sabi nga natin, walang puwang ang tamad at korap sa administrasyon ni Pangulong Marcos Jr.
Kung kayo ay naghahanap ng mga school supplies, especially po sa hard copy white bond paper, meron tayo dito, at saka mga Easy Write Intermediate Pad, at saka Writing Pad grade 1 hanggang grade 4. Available po yan dito sa ating TikTok shop. Okay? Okay, pwede kayo manood, no? Manood sa ating live sa TikTok shop dito ya, or sa ating Shopee shop. Okay? Kayo mga may mga estudyante dyan o may mga nag-aaral dyan, ako, mag-check out kayo. Meron po tayong white plain t-shirt round neck unisex, okay? Mag-check out kayo dito sa ating shop para makabil ng mura, free shipping offer at mga discounted price. Maraming salamat po.